If Steam is giving you error E29, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and safe way to refresh Steam without deleting your games. This method is useful when Steam starts acting up, won't launch properly, or keeps throwing an error that seems tied to corrupted internal files. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you, because it really supports the channel and helps more people find simple fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, close Steam completely. Make sure it's not just minimized. You want to fully exit the application. If needed, right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and choose Exit. This step is important because the reset process works best when Steam is not running in the background. Next, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run window, type steam://flushconfig and then press Enter. This command tells Steam to refresh its internal registry and reinstall some of its configuration files. The good news is that this does not delete your games, so you're not losing your library or your installed titles. It simply helps clear out corrupted Steam data that may be causing the error. After that, you'll want to go to your Steam installation folder. Usually this is inside your program files folder, but it may be in a different location if you installed Steam somewhere else. Once you find the Steam folder, look for the package folder and delete it. This folder contains cache and update-related files, and removing it helps Steam rebuild cleaner data the next time it starts. Now, relaunch Steam. When it opens again, it should automatically force a small update and download fresh files to replace the ones that were removed. Let Steam complete this process fully, and then check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this simple refresh is enough to fix Steam Error E29 and get everything working normally again. If Steam opens successfully, log in if needed, let your library sync, and test whether the problem is resolved. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.